Hi everyone, today is Sunday, which means that I have been in my kitchen cooking for the past hour or so. If you train with me or you've participated in any of my weight loss challenges, you have heard me mention many times about the importance of meal prep. So I almost always spend a couple hours on Sunday getting ready for the week. And instead of posting pictures today, I thought I would kind of give you a view of what my kitchen looks like in the middle of food prep. So if you could just pan around here. I like to use as many different appliances as I can. I like to roast vegetables in the oven. I do steam and bag in the microwave. And this is one of my new favorite toys, the Instant Pot. You can cook just about anything in here. I've done some red potatoes in there today. I cook my rice in there, my oatmeal, really any type of grains. You can do frozen fish and chicken, hard-boiled eggs. You can cook anything in there. So it doesn't always save you time, but it's kind of a set it and forget it tool. You can just put it on there and it'll turn itself off when it's done. The oven, like I said, I cook vegetables in there. I do my proteins in there. I've got sweet potatoes here that I did in the microwave. I've got chicken, salmon, and then I roasted zucchini. I've got ground chicken and I've got beef. This is my off season that I'm going into, so I'm eating a slightly larger selection of foods. I have some bell peppers chopped up there, so they're ready to go for the week. So the idea is that you spend a couple hours on Sunday, get as much food prepped as you can. Most of this will last for the week, and it looks like a ton of food, but I will eat it all. Between myself and my husband, we will eat it all. So now it's all ready to go. I'll prep a couple days worth of meals, and then, I usually don't have room to fit it all in my refrigerator, so after a couple days I'll have to package up some more meals. But even if you get this much done, you can just package up your meals each night. It's going to save you a ton of time. So anyway, this is what my kitchen looks like on a Sunday, and I hope you're having a good weekend.